What's percolating YouTube? It's your boy Back for Superstar, and we back. Well, not we. I'm back to show y'all another video. And you can see by the title, it's gonna be my monthly pickups from November. Now, this gonna be including my Black Friday pickups, my Cyber Monday pickups, and just everything else, of course. Most of it's just shoes and clothes, and then I got some other stuff that I got from my clothing line, like a heat press and a vinyl cutter and some other stuff. If you like the video, leave a like. If you dislike the video, leave a thumbs down. It's your choice, not mine, but I appreciate everything. Comment down below if you want to see more of these. Share the video, tell a friend, tell another friend, tell another friend to subscribe, because we're on the road to 1K. All that being said, let's get into it. I should have got a haircut today, man, because this shit gotta go. Shit. Oh, no shave November turned into no shave October and December. Anyways, I don't know where I want to start. Let's start with this box. This was a mystery box from Mike the Compass in St. Michael. This was a $20 box. It came with some stickers and a wristband, the St. Michael wristband. I got that on my wrist, and 3 hats. It's olive on. And now the quality on these things is nice. I like them. These snapbacks? Oh, and it got the leather strap back. Hide my address. This one is maroon, burgundy, whatever you want to call it. It's the same print on everything. It's just the colors are different. And this one is that khaki tan color. So yeah, I like these hats. Shout out to Mighty Compass for selling those. I should have got a more expensive box. So I could have got a hoodie, but it is what it is. I'm gonna save these for last, even though it ain't nothing special, but I'm gonna save those for last. These, I don't know if I ever showed these in a video when I went to the Adidas outlet, but I've been wanting to get these slides for a long time, probably over a year, to be honest. Pretty up. Oh, no. Tweak it. I know that I've opened this box already. These just the, what's this one called? Adilite Comfort or Adilite Comfort slides. These are so comfortable. With this cloud foam material, these things is comfortable. Now I'm a Nike guy, but these slides are more comfortable than any Nike slides that I've ever had. So yeah, that's that. This room is gonna be a mess when I get done. Let's get into the shirts. These shirts are still available and in a couple sizes. I think in the white one, extra large is all sold out, and in the black, I think I got one left. The other sizes, it's like a couple sizes left. So if you want these, they're $15 plus the shipping, and I think a 2X is $18. So keep that in mind. Yeah, numbskullsoiree.com. Link is in the bio, and I'll put it up on the screen somewhere. And getting into one of my friends' clothing lines, I don't know how to do this. Rocky USA, you see that. I don't even think these are still available, but I had missed out on the original release, and I went over to his crib one day, and he still had these extras. I was like, let me get some, and he's like, all right, bet. So yeah, I put the link to his website down. I think he's having a sale now. I don't know when the sale ends. And this is the second time that I got this shirt. So on the back it says, yesterday you said tomorrow. And what else? This is the new stuff that's still on the website. You got Rocky in front and red on the white shirt. On the back it says roll the dice. What did I say? Stakes is high. That ain't proper English, but yeah, it's still a dope shirt. I got the logo on the dice. I haven't worn that one yet. Those first, the green one and the red one, I've worn those already. And this one, They got the lock and Rocky on the front. I'm probably gonna put up a B-roll because I know these camera angles, they ain't doing these shirts any justice. Then on the back, it got Rocky with like the definition, I mean the pronunciation of it, and it says unlock your full potential. I have not worn this shirt yet. Links to all these will be down below. And this one, this is my favorite one. I kind of like messed this up. I don't know what I rubbed it up against. I haven't tried to get that out yet, but it just says Rocky Designs on the front, and on the back, you got the hand picking up or dropping the world, either or, I don't know. Rocky Designs and the longitude, the latitude, or the coordinates, whatever y'all want to call it. I don't know where those coordinates are for, but if you want to look them up and figure out, I don't know, it might be Jacksonville, I'm not sure. And then the custom side on the inside, risk it all. And this is from my other friend's clothing line, Makeup Apparel. The red and black stripe, the white logo embroidered on the front, the other logo on the bottom, and white with the flame as the dot for the eye, and on the back the mermaid logo. I don't know if these are sold out or not, but I put the link down below as well. 2019 is gonna be a great year for all these clothing lines in Jacksonville. I'm just saying. And then it's the same shirt, but this one's just in white and black, and the logos are red, as you can see. So I'll put the links down. I'll put the Instagrams and all that in the description below. Y'all see the Jordan 1 box, size 12. It's the regular box, so it ain't no off-whites. I wish there was some off-whites. But I got the Rookie of the Years. I ain't worn these yet. I'm putting the red laces in because I think they look fire like that. I was thinking about doing a review just to like have one of these shoes, but everyone has done it already. And it's gonna be like a minute or 2 minute video of just me showing the shoes and talking about them. So I can do that now, to be honest. Pick these up from my friend. I put his Instagram up on the screen, and I think he got a website. So I'll put that up on the screen too, and in the description. All these links will be in the description, as I said many times already. Now, if you're not new to the channel, then you already seen these if you watch my other video. All 12 of y'all that watched that video, or 14, however many. It's a Top Man. It's a Top Man shirt that I got from Nordstrom. Right, Nordstrom. If you ain't seen that video, I'll put one up on the screen. And then I got another Top Man shirt. Is this the same design? No, it ain't the same design. This one. And then I got this Vans one as well. Till I get some Vans to match these, I'm not gonna wear this shirt. Till I get some shoes to match those, I'm not gonna wear those. So yeah, so that's all. That's it for all my pickups for November, Black Friday, Cyber Monday, all that. Like I said, if you liked the video, leave a like. If you disliked the video, leave that thumbs down. Comment down below if you like any of my pickups, or if you're looking forward to copying any of them. And if you check out any of my friends, the clothing line, tell them that I sent you. I appreciate that. And all the links will be down below. If I can find those shirts on Nordstrom, I'll link those down below too. And share the video. Tell a friend, tell another friend, because we're on the road to 1K. And it's your boy, Bachelor Superstar, signing out. Y'all be breezy, alright?
Don't call it a comeback. It was dark, now the sun back. Hit me hard, but I punched back. The wheels fell off, I rode the hubcap. Is it suicide or is do or die? It's newer days and it's bluer skies. I told myself it's just you and I.